Welcome to another listing from Operation Red Dot. Today, we're at 9959 Dragt Street Southeast in the Tahoma Meadows community of Yelm. Let's go check it out. Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1,612 square foot home. To start our tour, we'll see the half bathroom right at the front door. We'll skip over the upstairs for now and go right into the open concept living room. I really love all the natural light this entire house gets. Over here, we've got this great oversized closet that houses our hot water heater and some great pantry or general storage space. Moving on from here, we'll see the informal dining space, the kitchen, and the family room. This is also where you would exit to your easy maintenance backyard. We're going to get several peeks into the kitchen here. I personally loved this breakfast bar serving window. It really keeps the space super functional and open while providing more countertop space, which is always helpful. Also, it's important to note that all the appliances will be staying with the house, including the fancy washer and dryer that we'll see upstairs. Okay, we're at the top of the stairs and we'll start with our full main bathroom, which has a really nice shower insert. And on to bedroom number 1. These are pretty standard builder-sized bedrooms with a double-door closet and shelf system. Moving into bedroom number 2, which is simply a mirrored floor plan, I did want to note that I love these big windows that are just letting in a ton of light. Here we have our laundry room that features a matching LG washer and dryer, which again, do come with the home. Next is our primary bedroom, closet, and ensuite bathroom. I personally love having the closet situated in between the bathroom and the bedroom. Very functional. And of course, we've got a full bathroom here as well. Okay, let's go back downstairs and close out this tour. Thank you again for joining us on today's tour. Now we've seen the house, but before we end this tour, we wanted to stop and showcase one of the parks that's just a block down from the house that we just took a look at. We've got a covered eating area, we've got a beautiful mountain view behind us, we've got a basketball court, walking trails, and tons of space to run around for your animals and your kids. Thank you again for joining us. We really hope you enjoyed this tour. We look forward to seeing you on the next one, and don't forget, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or feel free to reach out to us. Until the next one, this is James from Operation Red Dot saying, happy house hunting.